Happening today, the Pinellas County School Board is set to discuss a new agreement with law enforcement that could change how misconduct is addressed in schools. ABC Action News reporter Larissa Scott shows us the proposal and why the NAACP is concerned about it.
The Pinellas County School Board says this new law enforcement proposal is supposed to establish guidelines for how they handle misconduct of students and adults. The district says the purpose of the new agreement is to combine the existing ones and add new elements as required by the Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School Public Safety Act laws. One of those requirements is having threat assessment teams for schools which review and address any potential threats to school security. Leaders say their goal is to maintain the general safety across the district and establish consistency in handling incidents without discrimination. The district says they're also working to encourage alternatives to criminal referrals and arrests of students and discourage officers from interviewing students on campus about off-campus incidents. Some of the changes to the law enforcement agreement include making sure threat assessment teams have a required law enforcement officer for each school. Threat assessment teams and corresponding officers will have access to personal student information if deemed necessary, and officers must make an effort to contact a student's parents before conducting on-campus interviews. If they can't be reached, a school staff member must be present and they must fill out corresponding paperwork. The agreement also includes detailed guidelines for the process of arresting a student. Our I-team has looked into student arrests in the county in the past. The Pinellas County branches of the NAACP say they have concerns with the new proposal. In a letter sent to the school board, the group says the changes would disproportionately affect students of color. The NAACP is asking the district to give the community more time to provide feedback and take the draft agreement off the consent agenda for at least 45 to 60 days. The group tells us they're expecting the school board to give them a response today. The workshop starts at 9:30 and we'll keep you updated on what happens there on our website at abcactionnews.com. Reporting from Tampa, Larissa Scott, ABC Action News.